Hi everyone, it's Marissa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be using the ABH NORVINA Pro Pigment Palette, excuse me. This is volume 1. It has all of these beautiful colors, a lot of purples, pinks. This row here is really pretty. Super pigmented, the shadows blend very easily. So anyway, if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then just please keep watching. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Bye. Okay, so in the intro, we're going to be using the ABH NORVINA collection. This is the Pro Pigment Palette 1. I love that it has like this gigantic mirror with it. And like, look how pretty the colors are. Just gorgeous. I did start off with the ABH primer. This is my first time using the primer. I really liked how it did so far, how it worked so far. I moved into a new apartment. It's a lot noisier than my other apartment. So if you hear like footsteps, the train, I live very close to the train, like police sirens, I'll try to like cut that part out, but just letting you know. It's gonna be a little noisier than what you're used to if you typically watch my videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. Just get out these little creases that are popping up here. So I started off kind of random, like I feel like that my looks always look very random, but I started off with the color A3, which is this cute purpley color. Sorry. This is on a M505 brush. I popped this in the center of my lid. Why I started off with the center of my lid, I don't know. I just felt like starting off that way. I am taking this up to the crease just a little. But like I said, I'm just concentrating it right in the center. So with the same brush, I'm going to go into the color B4. And again, that's on a Morphe M505 brush. And then I am bringing this around the outer corner as well. And then taking a Sigma E40 brush. And I'm just going to going around the edges just to make sure that's really blended. And then I basically just repeat those steps all over again. I like to build on my shadows rather than like go in heavy-handed and then like mess it up. Using a Morphe R33 brush, I'm going to go into the color R3. Then what I like to do is I have this Fenty concealer brush. I just like to go around the edges, like if I bring it out too far. And then I don't have like any additional concealer. This is just like whatever's left over from when I did my face makeup. Just to sort of clean up the edges a little bit. Okay. So now using the M505 brush, using basically the same brush as this whole look, I'm going to go into this beautiful color here. It's called B3. And just going to take that and sort of feather that onto my eyes as well. When I say feather, I mean like not pack, like I'm gonna go like windshield wiper motions. basically. This is a Morphe E13 brush. I'm going to go into A3, which is the first color we used. I'm gonna go right over that again. And then I'm gonna dip into B4. And then just pack that onto the outer corner. Taking B4 on the Morphe E13 brush, I'm just gonna apply this on the bottom. Lash line. The other day I was watching Carly Bible though, and she was saying how she likes to bring her eyeshadow farther down because she has like wrinkles like under her eyes, which I have like so many. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like intense. And so she feels like it like hides or like kind of conceals that, which I thought was kind of interesting. So then I'm just going to take that the E40 brush and sort of just go around the edges and make sure everything's like blended right. Okay, so this is the finished look. I was kind of like worried that it was like kind of looking a little like a look I did a couple weeks ago, this look. So I was worried that it was kind of coming out looking too much like that, but it actually doesn't look like that. It looks different. But so overall, so far, I mean, I love the palette. I mean, this is the only look I've done with it, so, but I think it's super pigmented. It blended really well from what I can see from just this one look that we did. I'm gonna do a couple more looks this week and get like, maybe do like a whole series of videos for the palette. Yeah, I don't really have anything. I think she did a great job. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.